Hey guys, welcome back. After this video, I'm going to show you how to make a public Discord server. So basically, uh, what you'd want to do is make a community, and for that, it's very easy. You just need to go to a server, the server that you want to build that public Discord server to. So I'm currently using this server right here. What you want to do is click on the button right here, click on server settings, scroll down till you see the enable community option. So this is only available for server owners. So I'm just reminding you of that. But once you're here, just click on get started. And you need your email verified and scan me contact from all members. That needs to be checked. I'll leave all these up default just for the sake of this video. Here the save setting, disable receive permissions for everyone and set default settings to mentions only. You're good with that. Agree and continue, finish setup. As you can see, the creator is now here and it's added all these stuff. Moderator only rules. So I have double channels and stuff, so let me delete it correct. So for you to set this up, you just need to go back to server settings, go to overview, you can like mess around with this. Put on the server description, and here to the onboarding is where when members join or with the people that are invited, they can see this and they can basically like set roles for themselves. Here the server insights and discovery. So your server currently does not meet the requirements for server discovery. So this is for like public servers, right? So if you want to have server discovery, you need to have all these prerequisites done. So if you were down 1,000 members, so of course you need 1,000 members to be eligible. Server too young, you need to affiliate comment, and that's just about it, guys. And you could just mess around with all of these, customize it. And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you in the next one.